Welcome to Voxme Inventory. In this video we will show you how to share an inventory in PDF format offline. Here's what you need to do. Step number 1. Get on the Sign and Send page and get the client to sign. Step number 2. Tap on Pack and List icon. Tap on the Share icon on the top right corner. You have two ways to share the PDF offline. For clients with an Apple device, AirDrop is the easiest option. Just ask the client to receive AirDrop from anyone. You'll see nearby Apple devices that have AirDrop turned on. Just tap on the client's device and you are done. Another option is the USB memory stick. Attach it to your device, it will ask to download an app. Once you installed it, tap on Share, select the USB app and tap on Save. Now you have this document saved on the memory stick. Hand it to the customer and ask to copy the PDF to his or her PC, Mac, or even Android device.